What is going on, guys? It's your boy Grandpa Penguin give you another how-to video. This how-to video is how to properly clean your PS4. Like if you see through your the sides of your PS4, I think this is not a good angle, but if you see the sides of your PS4, it's like getting dusty through like the vents, stuff like that, or the USB ports. Like the vents through the sides, you would notice that it's dusty, but let's see, is this a good camera? You probably can't see it through the camera, but the thing is that you need to properly clean your PS4 is like a vacuum cleaner such like this, because you need like an attachment that cleans out like a brush like this that you equip, and then you use the vacuum cleaner and it will clean out your PS4. You would need that or such. I'll be right back. I'll get it right now. Or a dust cleaner that you use to dust. Like everyone should have this. I focus in. There you go. Everyone should have like one of these in your houses, like a duster onto the PS4. What you want to do is have those things and unplug everything off your USB plugs, HDMI, and power. And I'll see you when it's all unplugged and I'm about to clean it. Alright, see you when it's done. Once your PS4 is unplugged, you want to put it most likely on the floor or something like that, or on the floor carpet, and then afterwards plug your vacuum cleaner up to our outlets, and afterwards you want to for once my vacuum cleaner has this long thing, which you want to do is hit this red button. I'll put my camera down. There we go. You will take the button out because I put the stick down, and you will want to get an attachment which should mostly come with all vacuum cleaners. There we go. You want to plug it in like that. Afterwards, you want to turn the power on, which is probably gonna be loud, and then you clean the vents such like that, which I'm probably gonna do it first person cleaning it. There we go. It's gonna be loud, but whatever, do it. I'm gonna put it in a camera angle so you guys can see it. At least see it. There we go. That's a good camera angle. Alright, I'm gonna start this thing. I did like at least 2 or 3 times cleaning the vents out, which is, it's probably if you see, you probably can't see it, but once you vacuum it out, it looks like a brand new PS4 again. This is another way you could prevent making your PS4 overheat, such like that. Like the first gen PS3s, they were pretty bad, overheated most likely because how hot it was. You want to vacuum the sides, of course, unless if you don't have a vacuum cleaner. But you need to get this thing right here. You want to get is your duster, have it like a new one, like a new duster, this thing, whatever it is, and dust it up, dust the sides up, everything, the glossy part, the vents, everything, the back, the sides, USB port, the disc, whatever it is, the disc incomer or whatever it is. But if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button down in the face. That was kind of awkward, but anyway, hit that like button down below. Subscribe to me on YouTube if you haven't subscribed to me. My name is Grandpa Penguin. I'm out. Peace. Share this video to your friends.